The 2023 Kia Stonic aims to inject some youthful energy into the compact crossover segment. As crossovers continue to dominate new car sales, automakers are seeking fresh takes on the formula to attract young, active buyers. The Stonic, new for the 2023 model year, promises style, technology, and driving enjoyment in a sensibly sized and affordable package. At first glance, the Stonic makes a strong visual statement with its two-tone color schemes, aggressive fascia, and sculpted body lines. The exterior styling skews sporty rather than rugged, suggesting this crossover is more at home zipping around urban areas than traversing rocky trails. 8 exterior colors are available, including 5 two-tone combinations with a black roof. Wheels range from 16 to 18 inches depending on trim level. Standard LED headlights and taillights add a touch of upscale flair. Inside, the Stonic aims for a minimalist, driver-focused layout. The clean dashboard design houses a standard 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Leatherette seats and contrast stitching add personality, while amenities like dual-zone climate control and a sunroof maintain comfort. Though compact, the interior offers decent room for 4 adults and 18.5 cubic feet of cargo space. Motivation comes from a turbocharged 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed manual or 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Output is rated at 120 horsepower and 127 pound-feet of torque. Fuel economy checks in at 31 mpg city, 37 highway, and 33 combined. The Willing engine provides peppy acceleration, although passing power is just adequate. The standard drive mode selector lets drivers optimize responses for normal, sport, or eco driving. Safety tech headlines include forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, driver attention alert, and high beam assist. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and parking sensors are optional. Kia's renowned 10-year or 100,000 miles powertrain warranty provides welcome peace of mind. With stylish looks and contemporary tech, the 2023 Kia Stonic aims to attract young, active buyers to the Kia brand. Competition is stiff, with rivals like the Hyundai Kona, Ford EcoSport, and Nissan Kicks offering similar attributes. But for shoppers seeking a sharp, efficient, and affordable urban runabout, the new Stonic warrants a test drive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.